Now, what if I told you that AI agents could run your entire YouTube channel for you? That means writing scripts, generating visuals, creating voiceovers, and publishing videos while you do, well, absolutely nothing. This is a full YouTube automation. No editing, no scripting, no manual work, just AI doing everything from idea to upload. YouTube automation is exploding right now, guys. But here's what most people don't exactly understand. Automation isn't just about outsourcing to freelancers or using basic templates. It's about AI agents that think, create, and execute the entire video production process for you. The old way? Well, that was you would be hiring freelancers on Fiverr or on Upwork. You'd be waiting days for replies, checking their work, going back and forth with revisions, and managing multiple people for scripts, voiceovers, editing, and thumbnails. Now that, to me, sounds like a ton of work. And guys, that is not an automation. That's basically project management hell. But what if, just what if, AI agents could handle all of that? I'm talking about a system where you drop a single idea into Airtable and an AI agent automatically expands it into a full multi-scene script. Generate custom visuals that you would not believe, create animated video clips, produce professional voiceovers, layer background music, auto-generate subtitles, and schedule the final video directly to YouTube, completely hands-free. And guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact N8N workflow that uses these AI agents to create full YouTube automations. And guys, this isn't just saving time, this is building a self-running content machine that pumps out 3 to 5 published videos every single week while cutting your production time, your workload by 90%, and your costs even more. So if you are serious about building a real YouTube automation channel that runs on AI and not just outsourcing the work and putting a ton of pressure on your shoulders, then guys, stick around because this workflow is about to change the game. And also guys, guess what? You can get this complete YouTube automation workflow for entirely free by hopping into our school community. All you have to do is just click the link in the description below. And once you're in, then guys, head over to the classroom section, our hub for all the plug and play N8N templates. Okay guys, and all of them is tailored for creators pushing the boundaries, like I'm guessing you are as well. Guys, scan for the template and download the file, and then all you have to do is just copy the Airtable base that comes with it to your Airtable account. Okay guys, now it sounds pretty simple. Now, let me show you how to set all of this up. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fire up your N8N, okay? Then you're going to click on create a workflow, okay? And that is going to land you on a blank canvas, and then you're going to rename your workflow whatever you like, okay? So in your workflows header bar, click the 3-dot more options menu, and then choose import from file to open your file picker. Then you're going to navigate to the downloaded JSON, okay? And guys, then you are going to select it and you're going to smash import, and then N8N will display it on the canvas instantly. Okay, and now let me walk you through this entire thing just so that you guys don't get confused. Okay, so this opening phase kicks off the workflow by selecting a fresh idea from your Airtable library, and it's using AI to generate a structured array of scenes complete with titles, descriptions, captions, and prompts tailored for storytelling. Okay, so guys, setting the narrative foundation in a quick randomized pool that ensures variety without any repetition, which is super important. That is what we are going for. Okay guys, so now we are going to create an image. Okay, so here the system refines your base visuals by editing starter images to match each scene's unique style, colors, and composition, okay, which is basically producing crisp PNG assets that serve as the visuals backbone for the upcoming animations, and it's all handled through targeted AI enhancements for that polished, cool aesthetic that we're going for. Okay, now guys, we are getting over to the creating a video section. So in this step, the workflow animates those edited images that we just created into videos, which is going to be dynamic clips infusing motion camera angles, and also atmospheric details, which is drawn from scene prompts to bring the entire narrative to life in bite-sized, high-res segments, which is ready for assembly. Okay, now when it comes to creating the voiceover, this section layers in audio personality by crafting concise, immersive narrations for each scene and synthesizing them into natural sounding voice tracks. And then it blends every single emotional delivery with your story's rhythm to add depth and engagement without any manual recording. And now when it comes to merging the videos together, the merging phase pulls together your video clips, your voiceovers, and your background music into a single seamless composition, timestamping elements for perfect sync and also ensuring smooth transitions that transform individual pieces into a cohesive cinematic video, which is totally what we are going for. And then guys, when it comes to scheduling and posting on YouTube, that is done via Blotato. Okay, so the workflow wraps everything up by adding animated subtitles for accessibility, and it schedules the polished video for YouTube with optimized metadata, and it queues the upload through Blotato, which is the best system to use for this. And guys, it handles everything from timing to notifications so that your content goes live at peak hours without any hitch. So guys, let me take you through the entire configuration setup. Okay, so Airtable forms the backbone for your idea repository and also your asset tracker in this workflow. So with the anime video -b table holding base concepts featuring fields like ID, title, description, caption, character, story, visual_style, color, scene count, AR for aspect ratio, image URL, music URL, and also status to flag. Okay, so these are to-do entries for processing. Okay, so while the production table captures per scene intermediates such as image_URL, video_URL, voice_URL. Okay, so guys, to get started, log into airtable.com and then copy the base. Okay, then head to account and then personal access tokens under the developer hub to generate a token with all permissions enabled for the base. And then you are going to copy your token string and you are going to head back to N8N. Okay guys, so now in N8N, you're going to assign this to Airtable credential across get anime idea, add image URL, add video URL, add voice URL, get batch ideas, and complete idea by pasting into personal access token. I know guys, it sounds like a lot, but once you start playing around with it, you'll realize how simple it all really is. And OpenRouter acts as the creative engine, driving your agents to spin raw ideas into reality. Okay, so sign up or log in at openrouter.ai with the free tier for initial runs. Okay, it just makes everything a lot easier on your end. And then navigate to the keys tab and create an API key labeled anime agents. And then you're going to copy the SK or V1 your key value, and then set up N8N's OpenRouter credential for Brain by entering the key in OpenRouter's API key. So this fuels idea agents for scene arrays, video agents for final prompts, and also narration agent for the voiceover. And with all of them, they have their pre-crafted system messages. Okay, and now guys, over to Key AI. That is what powers the image and video generation here. Okay, so editing images via Nano Banana and animating them via ByteDance's Light Model C-Dance V.1. So let's start off by registering at key.ai, and then you're going to grab your beta token from dashboard and then API keys, and then name your API key and copy your token and swap the placeholder beta in generate image, get image, generate video, and also get clip headers. Okay, and then guys, we're going to go over to fel.ai, which orchestrates the audio visual polish with 11 labs for voiceover narrations in our stuff. And then FFmpeg compose for combining the videos with its voiceover and background music and subtitles for the video. So at fel.ai, register an account to generate your API key from dashboard and then API keys. Okay, and then you're going to name your API key and you're going to copy it, and then you're going to head back over to N8N and you're going to update authorization across create voice, get voice, merge, get merged video, add subs, and also get subs. okay? And then we're going over to one of my favorites, which is Platato, and that is what schedules your videos onto social media. So connect your channel at platato.com through integrations and then YouTube, and then connect via the OAuth, okay? And then make sure to get your account ID and then head back over to N8N to paste it into schedule on YouTube Node, okay? And then you're going to copy your API key from settings and then API key, updating this in both upload to Platato and also schedule on YouTube nodes, okay? So now guys, what's the point of setting all this up if we are not going to test it, okay? So launch a test with N8N's execute workflow button to start the workflow with the create anime scene section, which is what we are doing here, but you can create whichever one you want to, and that is going to get the AI agent to create the video scenes, okay? And then guys, the create image section is where images of each scene are generated by NanoBanana, and then these are stored into Airtable. And then in the create video section, the video agent brings these scenes to life with CDance version 0.1, okay? And it stores these generated video scenes into Airtable, okay? So in create voiceover, the narration agent creates talking audio files for 11 Labs to generate voiceovers, and then merge video sections is where we combine all the videos, okay? Which is the voice and the background music files, and those are then merged into one, and they are then used to create the whole video experience, okay? And then lastly guys, the schedule post section ensures that these video outputs get scheduled and posted onto YouTube via Platato. And then guys, for the results and output that you're going to get guys, each run that you are going to do, it's going to result in a subtitled video output MP4 file, which is stored in the -B records video output URL via complete idea. And here are the videos that we generated so far guys, so take a look.
Boss life's chaos still burns. Guest sleeps the real missing meeting. Finally getting that rest. Turns out recharging beats running on empty every time. Healing slow, seeing life's patterns clear in quiet, gentle pause. I'm finally learning to be still, letting go of proving myself through pain. I'm writing my next big move, switching gears from doer to dreamer. Locked in on these charts, I grind through every challenge till success hits home. I am done fighting to prove my worth. I'm cutting loose what drags me down. I step back to let my team shine, building plans with clear vision and bold moves. I'm chilling in golden calm while my team hustles, grows, and thrives around me. Focus sharp, calm stance, deciding what's mine and what's just noise around me. I'm soaking in this sweet victory with my team, feeling calm, proud, and totally in sync.
Now immediately guys, what you can see is these were just based off of one of my ideas, but you can do whatever you want with this. You can play around with this as much as you want, and guys, I can guarantee you, are going to have so much fun when you start seeing all of the potential that this tool has. So guys, go and check it out and come back over here and let me know down in the comments, what do you think about this? And also, if you have a friend that you think needs to check this out, then send this over to them. So congratulations guys, your video engine is now fired up and it is ready to roll. Guys, it's going to be spitting out subtitled, scheduled gems that could transform your channel into a must-watch hub. Guys, with this workflow active, just take a quick look at -B for those done videos, those output URLs, to monitor Platato's queue for publishing previews to align with trends, and guys, refill ideas to sustain the workflow effortlessly. Guys, you can scale by cloning this for genre splits like mecha or fantasy or anything you really want to go down, guys. And guys, once you start taking a look at other types of genres, it's going to be so much fun. And now guys, don't forget that you can also join our free school community down in the link below. And also guys, I can guarantee you that you are going to love the other content that is on the channel. So guys, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on those bell notifications, leave a comment down below. What do you think of the AI revolution when it comes to YouTube automation? And also guys, let me know what you think of the video. But guys, I'm Ty, and I will catch you on the next one.